The employee record is the heart of JagaStaff. Everything else, attendance, leave, claims and payroll, hangs off it. Before you start, make sure your departments, work shifts and office locations already exist, because this form will ask you to pick them. Open Employee's Record from the sidebar, then click Add Employee. The form is long, but it is divided into clear sections. The first one covers who the person is, an employee code, their full name, email address, a password, and their IC number. Two things are worth knowing here. The email address becomes the employee's login, and saving this form automatically creates a user account for them. If you leave the password field blank, the system sets a default password, so always tell your new staff to change it the first time they log in. Then choose their department, their direct superior, and their employee status. Next comes the work setup. Pick a work location, which is the geofence they clock in from, and the work shift that defines their hours. Off day is pre-ticked for Saturday and Sunday, so change it if this person works a different pattern. Attendance restriction controls whether they may clock in from anywhere or only inside the office geofence. The salary block is what payroll reads every month. Enter the basic salary, choose the salary basis, whether they are paid monthly or daily, and set the overtime compensation rule. Get these right now and your first payroll run will need almost no correction. Below that sit the Malaysian statutory settings. JagaStaff fills in sensible defaults for you. EPF applicable, with 11% from the employee and 13% from the employer. Please SOCSO and EIS. Adjust the rates only if this employee is a special case, and fill in their KWSP, SOCSO, EIS and tax numbers when you have them. Recurring Payroll Items is the section most people miss. Anything that repeats every month. A phone allowance, a travel allowance, a fixed deduction, goes here once instead of being keyed in during every payroll run. Click Add Row under Recurring Additions or Recurring Deductions, then give it a type, an amount and a description. The last section covers education, home address and emergency contact. The emergency contact is worth filling in properly. It is the field you will be glad exists on the day you actually need it. When everything is complete, click Save. JagaStaff confirms. Employee saved, and user account created. The new staff member now appears in the list with their employee code, and they can log in with the email address you entered. Repeat this for every member of your team, and the rest of the system. Attendance, leave, claims and payroll will start working for them straight away.